Okay, hi Carly. My English is bad, but I try my best. So, you do the code with klossy thing, and you're a geek, so I thought, you know, let's make a video for you. Maybe you will use it, maybe not. I don't know, I will just make it, and I hope you like it. So, what I will do today is I will make a painting out of the photo with only AI, so only artificial intelligent will only code will generate the painting. And for that I will use this Deep Dream Generator website. It's really cool. I'm following it now for years, and I think now it's the point where you can really do cool stuff with it. So about the website, it's you log in, you have it's for free. You have credits and you can use them, and you have 70 credits a day, so you can do some really neat. You can do, I think, 14 paintings, and that's a lot. And you can grab styles here. If you like something, you grab a style, you copy a style to your account and try it out with your photo. So, but let's dig in. So, how to make one? Let's generate one. Okay, here you go. You push the button generate, you choose a basic image. It's a photo, it's the same one as I have here. Pretty. And then you choose a style. I don't know, I like this butterfly really, so it works really good with a lot of photos. This one is also cool. So let's try the butterfly. And down here you have settings. Now the only setting I use is the resolution setting on how high I want to go, and the style weight settings. And the thing is, the higher you go in percentage with this style weight, the more your photo will look like the butterfly. So that's the main settings for me, but I go with 50%. It's okay, so I go generate. It's really fast, it's like 2 or 3 minutes, and it will generate you an image, and this is the result, and it looks like a painting already. You can do a lot of it, a lot of cool stuff with this already. And then I used a second one, which is for the edges, so it looks a little bit more like a painting. So let's see, it's this horse one. It got those black lines in it, and those black lines are very important, because if you generate it, you get something like this. It looks awful, I know, but I will show you in a minute. It does magic with in Photoshop. So let's jump into Photoshop. What I do first, I take the butterfly, and I don't like those artifacts, so I take the original photo, I paste it over, and I mask it. It's Alt left click on the mask. You get the black mask, you mask it out, then you go to your brush and you choose the white. You can toggle it with X, see X, black, white, black, white, black, white. So you take the white will show the photo on the mask when you paint, and the black will hide it. So this is, now we're painting with white, so we're painting in the original photo into the AI generated painting. They would call it Deep Dream or something like that. I will just remove those artifacts, so it goes back to You don't have to be that precise here with the brush. You can take a large brush. It doesn't matter because it will show the original photo and the tiny hair will show up, and you know, it's just it's I like it that way. Now the face. You go, if you see two yellowish colors or blue colors that you can just paint the original photo in it. It's what you like, you keep. What you don't like, you just brush over it. So here's a little bit that looks funky, so I'll take it away. Okay, let's do it a little bit faster. The arm looks a little bit funky. Let's do it this way. Okay, and now the nose. Okay, we're done with that. Now we take the second one, the lines, press enter, mask it out, alt left click. Again, why we have the white to show the lines, and I go for the eyes, brows, nose, to get just a little bit. I'm on opacity of 18 on the brush, so to get just a little bit out of it. Mouth, and maybe the contour of the face, so it pops out a little bit. Now we change that. We don't want these lines. Okay, and that's basically it. We're like already, it looks already cool. And what I like on the lines is when you pick the hair, it shows the hair really comes out. Oops, the red, you'll see how it goes with the hair. Gives the lines. Okay, so we have the hair. It looks a little more like a painting. Okay, we're done with that. Now there's a neat, you say it? There's a neat plugin, it's called Alien Skin. Snap art, it costs $70 or so. I have an old version of it, and you can play around. You can do a lot of things. You can do imposters, also cool. You can, there are tons of settings here you can play with to get a good result. And I like this one. It's random, and okay, let's just try this one. So it's a little bit washed out, but it looks more like a painting. Now we add a white mask. Just click on the mask. We take the black brush black, and where it's too washed out, we again go for the eyes. Usually works good. For the nose, for the mouth, a little bit for the hair. That's a feeling thing. It's the way you like it, you do it. And you can always toggle here with X. You can always toggle here between white and black, and you know, add and subtract things the way you like it. And it already looks, I don't know, pretty good. So that's an eye painting for me. Okay, let's what I like to add is a little bit of I lighten up things. Usually looks pretty cool. The eyes a little bit, mouth a little bit, and hair strings. Give it a little more light. But that's you know, however you like it, you feel it, you do it. It's and what I also like is texture, having painting texture on the white. So I use Jigsaw Pix Impresso. That's the only one that works really good. I tried a lot of them, but that's just you can play an hour only spent in Impresso Pro for the painting, but I usually don't do that. I just want this texture having on the photo, so we got it. We mask it again with white, and now we bring back the painting, the things we liked. So just paint over it, paint over the hair. That's just something I do. It gives it a little touch of realism. Oh, realism. Break my tongue on that. Done. So here it is. Painting. Now let's see. Right? Looks good. And it's 10 minutes or so. Okay. Have fun. Code with Klossy. Do a lot of JavaScript. It's fun. Okay, have fun.